welcome to our channel. This is Boston's the boxer, and Bella she's a German Shepherd mix. Exactly the other mix I really don't know, but she's part German Shepherd and something else. So we got Boston the boxer and Bella the German Shepherd. This is my first video of these two, and it's just gonna be videos of this, just their lives together. Boston is 9 weeks old. He's just one super cute boxer puppy. Amazing color, brindle, almost looks like a marble almost, you know. He's amazing. His colors are amazing. Get her, Boston. Go get her, Boston. If you guys like these videos, please like and subscribe so I can continue to make more. So I think the plan of this channel is going to be just the life of Boston and Bella. Again, Boston's only 9 weeks old, so we'll just continue to make videos and watch this little guy grow. Bella's so good with him. Bella's about 3 years old. When we first got him, it's kind of funny, man. Bella didn't want anything to do with him at all. She was super rude, super snotty towards him, growling at him all the time, and now look at them, dude. They're playing best friends. We wanted to get another dog for the longest time, and Bella needed a buddy to play with, and now we got Boston. So we got the boxer and the German Shepherd, BB, Boston, and Bella. So again, like our video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.